Now we can make our front plate exactly the same way we made the top plate. In this example, I'm going to do it in a slightly different way, just because I can show you a different way of doing it. So I'm going to turn on Sketch 16, which was the sketch from the side plate, and we're going to use this sketch we've already created to make the this top plate, this front plate. So extrude, and extrude all of these, and I'm going to extrude them to this other side. It's a new body. Okay. So that's just extruded a single plate between the two sides. And then while we've still got that sketch turned on, we'll extrude these 29mm edges, or faces rather. So I guess this way requires two extrusions, but I don't need a sketch in this scenario because I already have it. So instead of doing one side, I'm going to choose two sides. And the first side is going to go to here, and the second side is going to go to here. Now, by default, we'll want to cut because we're cutting through some existing, well, we're going through some existing geometry. So we'll want to make sure it's selected as a join, but we don't want to join the two side plates to this middle plate. So we're going to turn off our left and right plates. Oops. So first side's going 30mm, the other side should be going 3mm. That's 3mm. So it can be joined because we want to join it to this other body here. Now, when I first made this, there was a button sitting in here. I find that the cables from the button get sort of tangled up in the mechanism. It's okay, but I think the button will be better placed on the side of the design. But we're going to call this one F plate. And again, we'll paint this one up. So that's our laser cut enclosure for the shifter. There's a few things we need to add in. We've got a whole bunch of nuts and bolts to drop into the design. And of course, we've got a sort of a micro switch mount, which will sit inside